What's up, YouTube? This is the Passive Income Trucker coming back at you guys today with more videos about stocks, passive income, and cryptos every single day. Go ahead, guys, and give me the L and S special, the like, and the subscribe for more content. Also, comment down below saying that you subscribe, and any questions you may have, also put those questions down below. Before to get into today's video, guys, go ahead and pause the video, come back, read the disclaimer at your own convenience. As you guys know, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not trying to give you guys financial advice. I'm only giving you guys and showing you guys what I do to make money online. If you need, come back and press the pause button and read this at your own convenience. Today we're going to be talking about the Clickbank series. Clickbank, I've actually made 2 sales this week. Not really back to back, but one day and another day using this specific strategy that I'm about to show you guys today. Watch all the way to the end, and you'll get it. If not, just go ahead and go back to the first video. Because all we're going to be doing is we're going to be using Clickbank and this particular site right here called My Lead Gen Secret. My Lead Gen Secret is a place where you can come and you get 200 leads every single day of the week. But you're going to start off with 100 leads every single day, and then it's going to go down to you're going to get 200 leads. How do you get 200 leads if you're starting off with 100 leads? Well, once you sign up using the My Lead Gen Secret link that I leave down below, what you're going to do, and this is just a strategy that I use, is you're going to copy this link on your page, and you're going to sign up under yourself. All this system does is once you get one person to sign up under you, they double your leads every single day. At midnight, you'll get an extra 100 leads on top of the leads you're already getting. And if you decide to do this, then at the end of the month, or at the end of 30 days, you have yourself 6,000 leads, and that's just with one account. With the strategy that I'm using, I actually have 5 accounts, which at the end of the month, 6,000 times 5 will give me 30,000 leads total, and all I'm paying is $30 per month for each one of these accounts. Now, the thing is, the first month you have to pay $60 to join, because it's $30 for the first month, and it's $30 as the admin fee / registration fee. So it's going to be $60 a month for the first month, and then $30 a month after that. So let's get into today's strategy so I can show you guys exactly what I do to earn these 2 sales. All I do is I come to My Lead Gen Secret, I log in, I come to the mailing system, and as you can see down here, you can see I've been sending emails for probably about a week and a half by now. All I would do is come here, I will press select all, and it will select all the leads that I have in the system. It's going to show how many leads I have right here. In this particular account, which is the account that I closed and I opened back up, this is the only account that I have with this money in it. It has 26,800 leads. Now, I can just come and let's see here. My page is a little slow. I thought this was the fastest browser I have, but apparently not. This is the email that I sent last. If I wanted to, I can load it up and just edit it. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go to the Clickbank page. And let's go ahead and sign the Clickbank. And I'm going to show you where we're going to get those emails that we're going to send, so you guys don't have to be concerned about writing any email copy. We're going to just copy and paste email copy right from the page that I'm going to be going to, so I can show you exactly where to get that from. And it'll show you the 2 sales. This is kind of looks a little different, but it's a master account. Well, it's not showing the last sale because it was from last week, but it will show up on the next page. So as you can see on the 20th, I did receive a commission of $12.11. It may not seem like much, but it's going in the right direction. And also, every single day, I'm getting 200 leads. But every single day, I'm getting 200 extra people that I can send to these particular offers that I will be sending them to. So let's go down below. Let's go down a little bit. So I can click on my username. This is called a master account. In a master account, you can create multiple accounts. This is how you can come in. You can test different accounts to see what strategy is working. Like this particular account here, I can go into this account, and the only difference is the username. The username is the only difference between these accounts, and that's how they'll know which account to use. And that's one way you can test to see if the strategy or if the traffic that you're using is working. You can create a separate account and use that specific account for a specific traffic method, or you can just use the tags, which you can put the abbreviations of the particular traffic source in the at the end of it, so you'll know exactly where the sale came from. So let's go down one more time so I can show you that I did get 2 sales. So as you can see, well, it shows right here in 4/19 that particular week, which was last week, the ending of last week, I got one sale for $12.11, and this week I got a sale for $12.11. So for the last 7 days, well, let's see, it's the 20th. So on the last three, well, this was on the, well, it doesn't show the date, but it's just showing the week of N19 when it ended. So sometime last week, I would say 3 days, in between 3 days, I've gotten 2 sales, total of $24, and I had to spend $270 because I paid, because my older account was already open. I only had to pay $30 for that one account plus the $600 for the first month of the, when I opened them. And also, since I'm signed up under myself, I have all of those accounts. The particular My Legion Secret site, that particular site, you get paid a recurring fee for members that sign up because it's a monthly fee. And that monthly fee will be coming into your account every single month. So I have 4 different payments I'll be receiving from myself once I make those payments. So it's another way for me to make a little bit of money that'll kind of offset the fees every single month. So here are the stats. I'm not sure if you can see this, but right here you can see it's 1,278 clicks. This was the offer that I did get the 2 sales on, and you can see I had 14 order impressions and I got 2 sales. This is the one I'm starting to offer now, and it has 1,000 clicks, or 1,000 hops as they call it on Clickbank. And we have 341 hops, 2 order form impressions, which means I have 3 order form impressions. And me, I normally go by the notion that if I get 10, I should get a sale by then, maybe 10 or a little bit over. And that's pretty much what I think when I come to this particular part. It's not really a lot here for you to look at, except the hops, the OFIs, the order form impressions, and the order form impressions that you actually, which is the clicks to order form impression, which pretty much divides it, how many order form impressions you get by the clicks, and that's how many you average at that particular time. And then the order form impressions itself is pretty much the people that go into the order form page, but for whatever reason they did not buy, which is normal. People don't always go to the order form page and buy, so that is absolutely normal. So let's go here, go back. We're going to go up, and I'm going to show you guys where we're going to be getting those clicks from. We're going to go to Marketplace, and the Marketplace is pretty much all of the offers that Clickbank has. Clickbank is a huge site. There's a lot of different niches on Clickbank. It doesn't matter what niche you have. If you have mostly any YouTube channel, you can find an order, a product on Clickbank that would match your offer. We're going to come here and use these particular products, and we're going to promote them using the My Legion secret email list, which is pretty much make money online leads. We're going to take these we're going to take these swipe files, and we're going to use the swipe files, and we're going to use those to send the email to. You have this in the side of the My Legion secret system as well. You have a free autoresponder slice, kind of like an autoresponder, where you can send emails without having to pay. We're going to go to the e-business and marketing, and all we're going to do is once it opens up, we're going to rank it, not rank, but we're going to change this to gravity. And the last time I was here, these 2 offers were the 1 and 2. So those the offer I'm promoting right now is the second offer down here. And all we would do is click the affiliate page on that particular offer. Let's see, is it going down? Doesn't look like it. Okay, well, it looked like it went down a little bit too far. What we would do is click on the affiliate page, and the affiliate page will take us to a page that shows us it pretty much shows us the swipe file. Now let me go ahead and open another window, because I did already do the swipe files. Let's see, what did I put it under? So these are all the swipe files I pretty much copied, and I pasted them here, and I went ahead and after I copied and pasted them, what I did is I went ahead and did all of the edits that I needed to them to change some of the things that you're going to use using this particular system, which, like the brackets on here, are not the same brackets that they have on the swipe file page, so you have to change those brackets to make it look like this. And since I've already sent this email, this is how I keep up with how I've done it. I just put done on the ones that I've already done. And since I've done all the way to 5, this is day number 6. what I would do is some of them do actually have multiple. They have two different subjects, or they have two different options for you when you want to put them into the subject line. So you can do this. I can copy, since it's already done. $30 per photo you take. And see right here on this one that I didn't do, like I got a chance to edit it, I would come here and I would take this, and I would copy that, Control C. And what I'm also going to do is this, Control V. You can earn $30 per photo doing this. And that's what I'm going to do. You can do this as well if you don't have to, but this is just what I'm going to do, just to change it up a little bit, because I'm sure a couple people are doing the exact same method that we are. So in order to be a little bit different, you want to go ahead and you want to change it up a little bit so you can stand out a little bit more. That would get you more clicks and more possibilities for a sale. So what's going to happen is the first name we're going to hear just say Amy. You can earn $30 per photo doing this. Okay, let's go ahead and save that so it doesn't revert back to what it was before. And also, let's go through the rest of the email so we can see what else needs to be changed. There's something like they'll also keep those brackets in there. Okay, so this is what I did is I copied and pasted my Clickbank link here. So something else that I do that helps me out to not forget certain things before sending emails is I would copy and paste this, which is my link, and I will place that link right under where I need to put it. So when I do go and I copy and paste this into the My Legion secret webpage, you would be able to notice those characters and letters because they stand out. And once I do that, I go ahead and cut it. I highlight this and I click a button up here that lets you make this link clickable. And I paste all of this into that, so this is not really seen. So here's another part right here that you can change. This is a remote job, so you can change country to people in your area can apply. And I think that'll be it, but let me go ahead and make sure. If you like taking photos on your smartphone, or you think some extra money in your pocket could motivate you, I'm going to kind of click this in half a little bit. That's a bit long. And you can apply to today's available job ASAP. It's the only one that's available. This photo app tester review is going to get. I'm just going to keep doing it like this until I get it to. Okay, to get it to look a little bit tighter. So I guess I can leave those separate since they're a little bit different. And you want to kind of do this so it'll look a little cleaner. Sometimes they do have it where it's not spaced correctly, and it'll look a little weird and awkward. Okay, come down here. I'll do this one. Okay. And all you're going to do is come back and you're going to edit these to make it look the best way possible. So when you do send it, it doesn't look jumbled up. It won't look kind of weird and awkward when someone's going through the email. It'll look like a normal email, not an app normal email. You come down here and place a signature with your name. Okay, let's see if anything else needs to be edited out of this particular email. If you like taking photos, blah blah blah. The only thing I really do is come and make sure all of the brackets are one, like it had USA or like country. That bracket doesn't really work on here because we copy and pasted it from the Clickbank site. So we have to replace that black bracket because I'm not sure which one it works on. This particular email system works with these particular brackets. If you don't change it, it's going to show up just like it was sent with those brackets, and people probably will be more confused. And you probably wonder why didn't you get any clicks on as many clicks on the link to your page. So that looks good to me. I'll go ahead and save this. And let's see. Let's go back up. So we're going to use this one. You're going to copy. Go back to My Legion Secret. We're already on the mailing page. We already have all of our leads selected. So we're going to go down a little bit. And all we're going to do is we're going to paste right here what we just copied. And see, this is the brackets I was talking about for the first name, for the full name, first name, last name. Only one I really use is the first name. I don't use any of the other ones. I don't know any reason why we would, but it's the only one I use. Be the first one. I'll just go down here to the bottom of the page. This is where we're going to put the rest of the email. See how this kind of looks a little. This looks like a normal email, so we're going to click in there, Control A, and we're going to delete that. We're going to come back to our form that we created, and all we're going to do is copy it all the way to the bottom to your name. Copy that, go back to the system, pretty much just paste it in here, and the only thing you have left to do is you want to double check before you send it to make sure that everything looks fine. This looks good to me. So you come down, and the reason why I put that link down there like that is because when you go through it, this is why you need to go through it, this link actually stands out, so it looks a lot different because of the characters that are in it and because of the way. So it looks a little weird, and it's kind of gets your attention. So what I would do is cut this, so that would pretty much delete it from this section. And then you're going to highlight the words above it. I'm going to highlight this, come back up here, I'm going to press this button that looks like chains. Then you're going to paste your link in there. Control V is in victory. Press OK. And you're going to go to the bottom of the page. You're going to click perfect timing. If you need to understand what that is, and pretty much later on you can come back once you open up your account and click on it. It's pretty much just the system figures out the best time, the time that everyone that's on this list opens their emails, and it puts that email in front of them at the best particular time, which is perfect timing to get them to open your email. So as you can see, I've already sent an email, so I can't send one. You have to wait 23 hours before you can send another one, so I've sent one. So now I won't be able to send one for another 15 hours, which is when I'll come back and send those emails. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you watching this video. It's not really hard. This is pretty easy. I know this video is a little bit long, but this is pretty much the easiest way. This is pretty much the easiest way I know online for you guys to make money. It's going to cost a little bit in the beginning, but with anything online, you're going to have to have a little patience. It's not going to be this overnight success. It's not going to be this. What this isn't, guys. This is not a make money quick system. This is not a get rich quick system. And I know a lot of people online promote that. A lot of people tell you you can make $1,000 a day in the next 10 days. That's not really a normal process. That's not really a normal goal. Some people can get there, but most people have to take a long process and a long soliloquy to get to that particular process. You're going to have a little bit of patience in the beginning. This is for the person who doesn't have a lot of time. This is for the person who's struggling to make a little bit of money. And as you can see, once you start to get the emails in your account, once they start to build up over time, you're eventually going to get sales if you follow this particular system. It's not hard, it's simple, and it's very, very easy to do. I didn't intend to make this video as long, but it's about 20 minutes in. Guys, I appreciate you for watching all the way to the end. You are a trooper if you did. Thanks for watching this video. It's the Passive Income Trucker. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, comment down below and say that you subscribe. I'm trying to get, I've reached my first goal of 100. Now I'm trying to get to 150, guys. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching.